And restoration work on the Carrollton covered bridge, Barber County, has already begun. Bridge was damaged in a fire, as you recall, in August of 2017 and repaired enough for traffic by September of that year. The structure will be restored by the District 7 Bridge Department once the scaffolding is in place. Carrollton Covered Bridge was built back in 1856 and was added to the National Register of Historic Places in 1981. It is the third oldest of the 17 remaining covered bridges here in West Virginia.